Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today you could see it's a gap up open. So clearly because yesterday's close was above the previous close, it was obviously gap up, and so many stocks are getting their Q1, Q2 results coming up. So obviously the gap up is evident here. And then whenever we have a gap up, we normally see sideways, but today it was not the same. So today's condition was different, and yeah, markets were doing a higher high because it was totally hunting all the SL from the August month and September month. In the overall also, we have an uptrend overlook. So we are going to concentrate in stocks for Midcap, Nifty, Persistent, Trend, and AU Bank. For Nifty 50, it's Reliance, ICICI, and HDFC. Obviously, these three were like hitting their new highs. At Bank Nifty, ICICI and HDFC Bank, Kotak, Axis, S-Pen. So all the major banks have done very good job today. So you could see the contributing points. You can learn many things through backtesting every day. So yeah. Here we have Lakshmi Pujan on 21st. Normally during Diwali season, the Q2 results always post a good result. So today it's 16, we have to see 17. So you could see a lot of lined up results of Q2, which actually affects the market. So you could see Reliance is coming up. So Reliance news definitely is going to be positive. That's why you could see the jump, and you could see ICICI on Saturday. And yeah, that's why I see a lot of these stocks are contributing to the higher high positions. And when it comes to news, so we have 17th USA based news. So yeah, and only the major cause, I think, that we have Q2 results lining up. That's why there's a clear breakout, and it was clearly a long straddle day. And when you check for futures, let's explain. So this is the part we are going to concentrate. Okay, so here they are having bullish outlook, but you see this sell is definitely greater than buy. That means with change is bullish, but the overall market is downtrend. Okay, so this is resistance and this is support 40 to 42. This means having a sideways outlook because support is equal to almost equal to resistance. Okay, put short and call short. So this is giving a sideways outlook. And when you check for stocks, you could see buy is definitely greater than sell. So this is having an upside view. So always trust for futures stocks because stocks is going to be the deciding factor. So this is basically for October 3rd week data. Okay, so especially the participants wise FII data. I'll move on. I just needed to describe the FII. Currently services are down, so yeah, unfortunately we cannot see more details here. So we'll skip to the straddle part, and here technically I am trying to fix these problems with a small study. So we'll see here. So here let's do a small comparison. So first off, I'm going to take is Nifty. So this is basically Nifty's chart. Let's take 1 hour time frame so that we can cut short. When you check for open, it's clearly 25,400. Okay, when you click on the LTP, it would like to show us the comparison of put and call. So you could see where it started 147.61 and where it ended. So clearly it was a long straddle day through which you can understand very clearly. Okay, now we'll try to get for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open was 5700. Okay, we'll move on to Bank Nifty 5700. Okay, Okay, so here when you click on the LTP, you could see 5700 where it started, and clearly it has outperformed in both ways. That means definitely it's a long straddle day. Now the last one is Midcap. When you check for Midcap Nifty, so this is the price action 13200. I'll try to open Midcap 13200, and when you click on LTP, okay, pretty simple. You could see how it started and where it has ended. So definitely a long straddle day, beautiful long straddle day for Midcap Select as well. Okay, since the straddle is over, we'll try to cover the price action part. We'll start with Midcap. Okay, so here back to the September month resistance and trying to take resistance. When you check for Bank Nifty, done a very beautiful breakout, finally keeping up with the July month resistance in one go. Okay, then Nifty is also finally back with the July month resistance. Now this is the important part, whether it does the breakout or not.